In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to stop Messenger from opening on startup here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, we need to navigate to the task manager. So how we can do so, at the start icon, please make a right click, scroll up and click on task manager. So in a few moments, you would be able to bring up a new window like this. And if you haven't seen any of this one at the left side of that, please click on this three lines here. And in that way, you would be able to open the navigation where it contains a list of options. From here, please locate with Startup Apps. And if you have a messenger here, all you need to do is you need to change the status of the startup into disabled. In my case, I don't have any, but if you do, let's say for example, this is a messenger, all you need to do is you need to make a right click and go with disabled, and it will mark here disabled. Once you're good, close the window and please proceed to the keyboard and press Windows key and R key together. And in that way, you would be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for shell colon startup. Make sure that you have typed the correct command text before you proceed. Again, it is shell, SHELL, colon, STARTUP. Once you're done typing, click on OK, and eventually you will be able to see all of the programs or the applications that is being added here at the startup. So any programs that is being placed here will be automatically start the moment you will open your PC or laptop. So in order to stop your messenger from opening on the startup, all you need to do is you need to delete it. So in my case, this folder is empty, meaning I don't have any programs or applications that I have run on the startup. So it is very important to select the messenger, and once you have selected it, you can click on the trash bin icon, or you can simply make a right click in the keyboard and you would be able to see there a delete icon. You can delete it, or you can simply proceed on this one and delete it. So highlight it and go with delete, and once you have successfully removed that here at the startup, you can close the window, navigate to the start icon, okay? And from here at the power menu options, restart the computer. Once you've restarted it, you would be able to fix your problem, or you would be able to stop the messenger from running on startup. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.